Back into another video. As y'all know, I'm with my boy Birhard, and he just got a brand new car. As you guys can see, it's a 392. Basically, it's a super track pack RT right here, and yeah, that's just pushing like probably like 450 horsepower. And yeah, as always, let's get this video started. Today is American Cruise tonight. It's a Friday night, and it's about to be lit. Clean as fuck. Yeah, that shit's clean as fuck. A little crazy, bro. That's a Hello Kitty right there. I think that's a jailbreak, right? Actually. Thank you. Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah, baby! Shit. Oh yeah, baby. We just made our way to the gas station and my fucking camera died, but I'm here at the gas station. Sorry. I'm here at the gas station and they got some crazy ass cars, bro. Let me show y'all. Oh, that's a Hellcat. That's a wide body fucking scat pack. Everything. That's another Hellcat. But yeah, it's deep as fuck. The gas station is full, and look at the traffic behind it. That shit is fucking stacked. Oh, what was that? Damn! Oh yeah! Oh my god! Yeah, Yeah, traffic is crazy.
All these cars are coming
Oh, that fucking Liberty Walk charger is crazy as fuck.
Hey, look at his car. He's crashed so many times. Right, Wayne?
Yeah. Got this M3, this shit crazy. Damn, this shit nice as fuck. This shit clean. Got a Camaro right there. My boy's RT. And he got a GT right there too. That just sounds crazy.
What the fuck? That shit loud as shit, man.
Shit deep as fuck, bro. What the fuck?
Clips. Lean ass clips.
Alright, guys. It's deep as fuck right now.
Yeah, I'm giving you a kiss right now.
So many car crashes and cops everywhere. We cannot do shit, bro.
Yeah, kid, I was like, if I kiss
This
you
is
right
how
now.
you put it in.
That's just fast.
What up, y'all? Welcome back into another video. I'm here at a car meet right now. It just started raining and shit. But yeah, let me show you guys what cars they have. We got a twin turbo Honda Accord. We got a SXT right here. Y'all already know we got a G, we got a RT.
Oh, you just skipped over my car.
And we got I literally just said it, jackass. And we got a SRT Chrysler right here, 300C. We got a Scat. And yeah, we got Mercedes. We got all the cars, bro. Hell yeah. Shit, got this nice clean BMW right here.
It smells.
Oh yeah, I know, bro. Yo, what's up, guys? Sorry, I paused the video. I was taking like some pictures, but bro, got deep as fuck. They got hella cars here. Got Audis. Then we got Genesis right there. We got a C6. Is that a Z06? Oh, that thing's clean. I like that. Infinity. We got a few Chargers and more parts. Slap it, huh?
What's your?
Go tags. If you ever put tags on your shit, watch out.